Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we'll be unboxing a magazine. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh man, I still got this cold. Can't believe one of my good friends Bradley's already left. It was his last day, last Friday. So yeah, here we have a Gaydon bus festival thing, as you can see, which is pretty cool. Excuse me. And here, if you guys are probably wondering, I will probably go to Gaydon. And here we just have a piece of shit again. Just lose that. And finally, we have the magazine itself. I'll probably unbox that piece of shit in a minute. So yeah, here is the magazine, as you can see. So yeah, here it's made by Buses. I don't know if that's the company or whether that's the title. So yeah, I'm not too sure. So yeah, anyways, here's the front of the magazine. As you can see, whoa, the front magazine and the back of the magazine with the bus station or garage. Yeah, that's quite cool. Might have to get that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. To be honest, I will unbox that thing, guys. You know, it's probably rubbish. Just tear it. Yes, as expected, it's just some piece of garbage trash. So yeah, now it's time to get the thumbnail. 2, 3, 4. So thank you guys for watching and peace out.